welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. I have a very good news for you today, a great opportunity that you can benefit from. I have told you several times that I have a lot of opportunities I will be offering you on my channel. So today I want to give you another opportunity that you can benefit from. So today I will be giving you top free 5 antivirus program for 2024, offering a robust protections without cost. Zero cost. So number one is Avast One Essential. Avast One Essential, very great antivirus. Let's go. So number one free antivirus is this Avast free antivirus. So it's one of the great antivirus that you can leverage on in this year 2024. It is very great. You can download for free and enjoy. So in this antivirus, it protects your systems, your malware. It protects against malware. So in this antivirus protects against malware and so many other means. Scan your systems and put your system in shape. So you can also benefit from this. Download it for free. There are paid options anyway, but you have access to the free options. It's one of the top free antivirus that you can leverage on. If you're interested, you can decide to go for the paid options. Because definitely you cannot compare paid with your free options. There are other areas you can also that will be interested, or should you pay. But whichever way you have access, unlike the one that are completely that you have to buy completely. This one you have options of you have free options which you can actually leverage on. So number two, Avera free security. So number two is Avera free security. Avera free security includes a real-time antivirus protections, a password manager, and a VPN 5000 MB per month. So it's a great antivirus that you can as well leverage on. Come and download this antivirus for free. Protect your system. This is one of the great antivirus for 2024 that we advise us to also leverage on. It's a great opportunity. So it's a great opportunity for those of us who are interested in this, who want to protect our system. Come and download it. You have access to benefit this. Subscribe to my channel. Like I always said, you have a lot of opportunities that will be given out time to time on my channel. Time to time I will be giving it out time to time. So subscribe to my channel so that you come along with me. You'll be able to catch up with so many other opportunity coming. I have them in loads. So instead of you to be walking around searching for me, going for how you can get antivirus, these are an opportunity. Come and download this, and it's going to give you a very wonderful result. So another one is Bitdefender Antivirus for free. Bitdefender Antivirus for free. Bitdefender Antivirus for free is a lightweight and effective with live customer support and strong real-time threat detection. So it's a great antivirus that you can also leverage on. So you can download this as well, for free. You benefit, and you have options of even communicating with live support. So it's great. It's great. Bitdefender is one of the great antivirus I can also recommend, for this 2024, to protect your systems. So you can download this for free. It's a great opportunity. So another one is AVG Antivirus for free. AVG is one of the great antivirus that you can also leverage on. It is free. The free options, you can download this as well. get it available for yourself. You can also make a payment. There are options of payment. At the same time, you have options of free, so you can leverage on these options. The free option to protect your system. This is a great opportunity as well. So you have options from 1 to 5. Anyone that is most suitable for you, you just check through, go through their what they can offer. Which of the free antivirus that will be suitable for you. So I brought them up for you to go through, play with them, run around them, check one after the other. So these are all free options antivirus that you can leverage on. So the last one today is Microsoft Defender. Yeah, Microsoft Defender is a pre-installed on Windows device. It provides a basic yet reliable protections for immediate use. So it's one of the great antivirus that we can as well leverage on. So it's the fifth one. So it's free. It's free, completely free. So you can use it, download it, use it for your systems. So these are opportunities. Some of us don't even know that there are opportunities like this out there. And some of us, for the fact that we are not technically inclined, once you have issue with your system, you quickly run to technicians. I'm having issue with my system, or my system is having a virus. These are all the things you can leverage, and you can do it yourself. Get to the internet, download any of these, put it on your system, install it on your system. It's pretty much easier, to install. Put it on your system, then scan your system. So these are great opportunities out there. You have five options to leverage on. Five good options. So you have no reason for any of your systems to be attacked by a virus. So these are opportunities. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. Share with others. Let others benefit. Don't be selfish. I know you are not. Don't be selfish. Let many other people benefit and pass it on. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget, I have loads of opportunities I will reveal on this channel. Don't forget. Thanks for joining me. Bye.